Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you a natural remedy that would remove all of those strong skin on your leg, okay, and give you a brighter, softer and fairer leg, okay, because I kind of tend to see some people who have some darkness around their leg, and it tends to look old. It tends to make your leg look old, okay. So this remedy is going to help you scrub out all of those dryness and all of those frackiness, and your skin is going to glow. Yeah, alright, so if you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also thumbs up the video. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and please share the video. Alright, let's dive into the video. For a younger looking leg, guys, we're going to be needing sandalwood powder. Alright, so I actually turned the sandalwood powder into this container. Okay, sandalwood powder is a great remedy that scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin and it's reveal a brighter and newer skin. So for the sandalwood powder, I'm gonna be taking in half tablespoon, then we're also gonna be needing pure gram flour. Now this remedy is vast, guys. This home natural ingredient is vast. It helps for wrinkles, it helps for an aged skin, it also helps to remove dark spots and pimples, and it will help to remove the strongness from the leg, therefore making it look young. And also for the gram flour, for the gram flour we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon. Now this is just for measurement purposes. You can do without measuring it. Then we're going to be putting in baking soda, guys. Now this is going to help to scrub out the dead skin cells from the leg, revealing a brighter and a more newer skin, and it's also going to leave your leg younger and more beautiful. And then for the baking soda, we're going to be putting in half tablespoon as well. Lemon. Then we're going to be putting in rose water and glycerin. Now this is a natural remedy that helps so much to reveal a brighter and a more newer skin, and it therefore helps to leave the skin flawlessly smooth and glowing. Now I'm going to be dropping in a little bit of glycerin. So I have half cut of lemon here, and I'm going to be squeezing that into this. Now to make that even better, we're going to be mixing and stirring. This is not going to be for the foot only, it's going to be for the entire leg, okay? It's going to be very helpful to remove the frackiness from the leg. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of lemon to that. It's going to remove the frackiness from the leg. Alright, so here's the treatment, and I'm going to be using this for my leg, okay? But first I would have to first of all apply it, okay? So you're just going to apply this, and also you're going to apply it on your like to not only the foot. Alright, so you're done applying this, then you can brush it, okay, with your hands. I'm going to be using this. Use something like that too. So after that is done, then you can rinse it off. And the leg here used to be fairer than your foot here, so you have to concentrate on this part, okay? And there we go. So basically that's it, guys. You can see the things are some people, their foot and their legs, just like I earlier showed you in the video, is usually different. So if you're experiencing such thing, you have to concentrate on your foot with this treatment, okay? Scrub it and be consistent, and you're going to see a great result. All right, okay. So if you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video, and please turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I will see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.